Welcome to our channel. Today we how to manage investments with Robinhood, quick tutorial step by step clearly. To begin using Robinhood for managing your investments, start by downloading the app from your device's app store. Once installed, open the app and create an account by following the on-screen instructions. Provide your personal information, including your name, email, and phone number. Next, complete the identity verification process by uploading a valid ID. Once verified, you can connect your bank account to fund your investment account. After linking your bank account, deposit funds into your Robinhood account as needed. Now you can explore different investment options available within the app. To buy stocks, tap on the search bar and enter the name or ticker of the company you're interested in. Select the stock from the search results to view its details, including pricing and historical data. When ready to buy, tap the green Buy button on the stocks page. Enter the number of shares you want to purchase or the dollar amount you wish to invest. Review the order details carefully and swipe up to submit your order. Your purchase will be executed according to market conditions. To monitor your investments, tap on the Portfolio tab located at the bottom of the screen. Here, you can track the performance of your stocks and overall investment value. For selling stocks, navigate back to your portfolio, select the stock you wish to sell, and tap on the Sell button. Enter the amount or number of shares you want to sell and confirm your order by swiping up. Stay informed on market trends by utilizing the news section and following updates related to your investments. Additionally, consider setting price alerts to notify you when stocks reach desired price points. Lastly, regularly review your investment strategy and make adjustments based on your financial goals and market conditions. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.